I will talk about how can you shop for your style on your Reddit app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this photo, click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on style avatar here. So then when it's going to take you to this list here. So you just switch into open video. So then you come to this list and here can you shop this avatars here you have. So in this list, so here can you choose any avatar you want to choose to pay in this list here. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.